Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav and I welcome you all to this course Data Analysis with Tableau. Now this is the first section of this course, in which I am going to teach you that how can you install Tableau in your own computer. And I am also going to teach you about connections as well, that how can you connect your Tableau with different data sources here, and we will connect with some data sources as well. So that is what we are going to do here. Now this is the Tableau website, and it allows you to download and install Tableau for 14 days. So what you can do, you can click on this try Tableau for free. So there are different versions of Tableau that you can use. We have Tableau desktop, and we also have Tableau online. So Tableau online is also available here. Now what I am going to do, I am going to install the Tableau desktop version here. If you want to free trial online, so you can click on Tableau online as well. If you want an online free trial. So that is what you can do here. Now if you are, let's say, in a current institution, or if you are a teacher, if you are a student, then you can get a free trial as well. By clicking here learn more, you can click on this learn more, so you will get 1 year free trial as well. And there are some other things as well. There are some you can extend trial experience as well, with Tableau prep builder. Prepare your data for analysis. And we also have Tableau online, take it to the cloud. Tableau server is also available here, share at your or enterprise. So all these different kind of trial experience are available inside the Tableau, and you can extend your Tableau trial with the help of these three. So these are also available. And then we have technical specifications. So click on this technical specification, so you can see what are the requirements of your computer or your system when you are trying to install Tableau desktop here. So we have operating system, virtual environments, and this internalization. Make sure these operating systems should be satisfied. Windows 7, 2 GBs, and so on. And so what we are going to do here, we are going to click on this one, download free trial, and then your download will started here. So as you can see, Tableau desktop .exe, this will start here, so it will get completed very soon. So now what I can do, now I can open this download because it has been completed here. So .exe file is available here. So what I will do, I will double click on it, and then you will see a screen like this, welcome to Tableau. So this is the installation setup. Now you have to first of all click on this read and accept the terms of the license agreement, and this is important here when you first install here. And make sure to check the privacy policy and these things here, so that we can improve the product, the Tableau can improve the product. And if you do not want your users data to be sent to them to improve the product Tableau, you can click on this one as well, don't send product users data. That is your choice. That is your choice here. That is what you can do here. So I am going to check this box, and click on this install button. So if you are on a Windows computer, it is going to ask you something like this, and click on yes. Then it will complete the installation. Now when the installation will be complete, you will see something like this here. This icon here. So double click on this, and you will be able to see this Tableau registration. So this will first time come, and you have to complete this Tableau registration while you will install Tableau for the first time. So you can write all of these values here, and click on start now, so it will happen. Now when your Tableau is completed, this is the interface that you will be presented with. That is the first interface you will see when your registration is complete. So from here you can work on your data, and you will be load data sources. So if you see on this screen here on the left hand side, all these sources are available: Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON file. So I am clicking on Microsoft Excel, because I am going to connect with the Microsoft Excel file here. So I have this data here, Excel data source. I will click this folder, and I have all these different data here to work on. So for now I am working on this sample data. We will work on this sample data. So double click on the sample data, and it will show something like this. So if you try to see here, your Tableau has make a connection with the Excel file here. Okay, the name of the file will be available here, something like this, sample data. Okay, and here you have this sheet 1 here. Okay, with this, which is the worksheet, the current sheet in which all of our data is available. Okay, to which we have connected. So that is what you can see here as well. And see, this is all the data which is available to us. Okay, now we have all the data here. So we can click on this bottom at display sheet 1. So we will come here. Okay, so now let's try to create some basic visualization here, some simple visualization. For an example, as you can see here, this is available drop field, where what I can do, I can write whatever, I can pass any column from my data table. Let's say I have this column here. So what I will do, I will drop this employee job title here like this, so it will appear. Let's say one more field here, let's say order total. Okay, and which is value of the order. So if I pass that here, so according to job title, we will have automatically order title is available. Now on the right hand side, you can see all these different kind of visualizations here. Okay, you can present your data with the help of these different kind of visualizations here. Okay, so if I click on this, so it will represent your data in that point of, and horizontal bars are also available, packed bubbles, and a lot of these let's say highlight tables, and a histogram and pie chart, and a lot of these kind of visualizations are available. You can represent your data in any way as you want here. Okay, and we will use these different representations for data analysis here.